Hello kids, let's learn adjective words. Big. Big. An apple is big. Small. Small. An ant is small. Tall. Tall. The giraffe is tall. Short. Short. The boy is short. Happy. Happy. The girl is happy. Sad. Sad. The baby is sad. Angry. Angry. The lion is angry. Strong. Strong. The man is strong. Fast. Fast. The cheetah is fast. Slow. Slow. The turtle is slow. Hot. Hot. The soup is hot. Cold. Cold. The ice is cold. Wet. Wet. My clothes are wet. Soft. Soft. The pillow is soft. Hard. Hard. The rock is hard. Heavy. Heavy. The box is heavy. Beautiful. Beautiful. The flower is beautiful. Pretty. Pretty. The butterfly is pretty. Ugly. Ugly. The monster is ugly. Bright. Bright. The sun is bright. Dark. Dark. The night is dark. Sweet. Sweet. The mango is sweet. Sour. Sour. The lemon is sour. Fresh. Fresh. An apple is fresh. New. New. My bag is new. Wooden. Wooden. The wooden chair is strong. Woolen. Woolen. The woolen sweater is warm. Broken. Broken. The toy is broken. Empty. Empty. The battery is empty. Full. Full. The basket is full. High. High. The mountain is high. Helpful. Helpful. My friend is helpful. Smelly. Smelly. The garbage is smelly. Messy. Messy. My room is messy. Curved. Curved. The road is curved. Giant. Giant. The giant tree is old. Colorful. Colorful. The balloons are colorful. Left. Left. My school is on the left side. Right. Right. The park is on the right side. Cute. Cute. The puppy is cute. Sleepy. Sleepy. The girl is sleepy. Alive. Alive. The fish is alive. Dead. Dead. The plant is dead. Amazing. Amazing. The rainbow is amazing. Perfect. Perfect. The circle is perfect. Easy. Easy. This puzzle is easy. Same. Same. We wear the same t-shirt. Crispy. Crispy. The chips are crispy. Handsome. Handsome. The boy is handsome. Juicy. Juicy. The orange is juicy. You are doing great, kids. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates.